Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple video. I'm going to be doing some Valentine's nails, very easy for anyone to recreate. As always, I like to begin with my base coat. I use the Hansen's strengthening nail polish. I do one coat on top of the nail and as well as the bottom part. Once that is dry, I'm taking a pinkish, nudish kind of color for the base. I like to use this kind of color for when I'm doing a French tip nail sometimes, but I feel like this one in particular, it's the perfect shade for that. And here you can see the difference with my hand with that nude polish on the bottom and then without. Then I'm taking this polish from Glaze and it is in the shade Glitter-iffic, and I can stare at this polish forever. It is so hypnotizing. I love it. And I'm going to be placing some of this onto a sponge and then sponging it onto my nail. So this is going to give it the effect of like a diminishing, fading kind of French tip nail. So a little bit more glitter focused on the tip of the nail, and then as you go further into the nail, it like kind of tapers off. And with this technique, it is kind of inevitable to not get it on your cuticle, so I suggest maybe getting like the latex around the finger so you can take it off right away, or just taking nail polish remover at the end. Next, I will be going in with a red polish and a dotting tool to add some hearts. Here, it's completely up to you what kind of color you want. I was just feeling red for Valentine's, but you can do a hot pink, a baby pink, a purple. All of those colors are very, very nice for Valentine's. But for me, I was feeling the red. I wanted red hearts. And the hearts, guys, they are so simple to make. Let me teach you how. So you're going to take the dotting tool, you're going to put 2 dots, very tiny, and then just connect it like a V. 1 dot, there you go. Another dot, there you go, and then just go down like a V and then fill it in. There you have your heart. It's perfect. Seal in your design with a clear polish. I use the same one that I used at the beginning. Just add a nice shiny top coat and you're all done. Let me know what you guys think of these nails down in the comments, and tell me, is this something that you guys would wear for the Valentine's season? In my opinion, I think this is like the perfect touch of glam and cute and simple. But other than that, that was all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet, and give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!